kami kukunin. Gusto namin kunin si Bulbasaur na manas. Kaso dalawang token.
Justin really enjoyed his holidays as a vacation with friends. I love
Oy,
this
fake
game.
plot.
Though it's
Ano ba
really
yun?
hard,
Gusto pa naman namin
I've seen some
tumakuha si Bulbasaur na
people were
manas.
so pro in this game.
Bye-bye.
Pagaling ka. Ah!
He's playing.
Si Ja. Gun na siya. Gun na siya. Hanggang
These games are
matalo
so
ka.
hard, you know?
Ibang kanta na ata.
Kanina pa kumakanta si Rosé. Grabe pa, 700 na siya. Kanina pa game over si JC. Tatlong miss lang.
One.
Pinagpawisan siya.
Basta yung kilig-kilig.
Lampad. Ay, wala. Wala.
What are these?
Oh.
30, my friend.
Photos, I guess.
Sabay-sabay.
Probably.
Madali na.
Five friends.
Ano yung reward? Ang cute sana nito, yung sweet pea sheep.
Enjoyed
Ayun
a
daw.
lot. Sweet.
Pwede ba yan?
Enjoyed.
Nag-avail kami ng
So
premyo ni
cool.
Justin. Capybara, tsaka yung
Wow.
ponytail. Paglaban natin yan. Friendship bracelet! Thank you, Josh!
Oh, friends forever.
Capybara!
So sorry guys for
Magkano
outside noise.
Magkano to? 500?